Are you tired of the overwhelming chemical-laden scents of store-bought air fresheners? Do you find yourself holding your breath as you spray, only to be left with a cloying fragrance that seems to linger for hours? You're not alone. Many people are becoming increasingly aware of the potential downsides of commercially produced air fresheners. Luckily, there's a natural and effective alternative: DIY air fresheners. That's right, you can ditch the harsh chemicals and create your own beautiful scents using simple ingredients found right in your kitchen. Not only will your home smell amazing, but you'll also be creating a healthier environment for yourself and your loved ones. Ready to embark on a journey towards a fresher, more natural home? Let's dive in. Creating your own air freshener might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Forget complicated recipes and hard-to-find ingredients. We're going to keep things simple using everyday items that you probably already have on hand. Think zesty lemons, calming lavender, and invigorating rosemary, all natural ingredients that not only smell divine, but also boast various health benefits. Imagine filling your home with the invigorating aroma of citrus, or the soothing scent of lavender after a long day. With DIY air fresheners, you're in control of the fragrance, ensuring it perfectly complements your home and your mood. So, ditch those chemical-laden sprays and embrace the power of natural fragrance. Let's explore the wonderful world of DIY air fresheners together. We often associate fragrance with cleanliness and freshness. But what if those alluring scents came with a hidden cost? The truth is, many commercial air fresheners contain a cocktail of synthetic chemicals that can be harmful to our health and the environment. Phthalates, VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and formaldehyde are just a few of the culprits hiding in those brightly colored bottles. These chemicals have been linked to various health issues, including respiratory problems, allergies, headaches, and even hormonal disruptions. Choosing natural alternatives isn't just about a beautiful-smelling home. It's about creating a safe and healthy haven for you and your family. By opting for DIY air fresheners, you can take control of what you breathe and minimize your exposure to these potentially harmful substances. Mother Nature provides us with an abundance of fragrant treasures that can transform our homes into aromatic havens. These natural ingredients not only bring a delightful scent, but also offer numerous health benefits, making our living spaces more pleasant and inviting. Let's explore some of these powerful ingredients and their unique benefits. Each of these natural elements has its own distinct aroma and therapeutic properties that can enhance our well-being and elevate the ambiance of our homes. Citrus fruits, lemons, oranges, limes, grapefruits. Their zesty, uplifting aroma is known to boost energy, improve mood, and even help reduce stress. The fresh scent of citrus can invigorate your senses, making you feel more awake and alert. Additionally, the natural oils found in citrus peels have antibacterial properties, helping to purify the air in your home. Lavender. This calming and relaxing scent promotes tranquility, improves sleep quality, and can even help alleviate headaches. The soothing fragrance of lavender is perfect for creating a peaceful environment, ideal for unwinding after a long day. It can also be used in sachets or sprays to freshen up linens and closets. Rosemary, known for its invigorating and stimulating properties, rosemary can enhance focus, improve memory, and even help relieve respiratory congestion. The sharp, woody scent of rosemary can be a great addition to your workspace, helping you stay concentrated and productive. It can also be used in cooking to add a burst of flavor to your dishes. Mint. Refreshing and revitalizing, mint can help clear sinuses, reduce nausea, and create a more alert and focused environment. The crisp, cool scent of mint is perfect for refreshing your home, especially during the warmer months. Mint leaves can also be used in teas and beverages for a refreshing treat. Vanilla. Its warm, comforting, and slightly sweet aroma is known to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and even improve sleep quality. The rich scent of vanilla can create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere in your home. It can be used in baking to add a delicious flavor to your treats or in candles to fill your space with its delightful fragrance. These are just a few examples of the many natural ingredients you can use to create your own signature scent. By combining different elements, you can craft a unique fragrance that reflects your personal style and preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment and combine different fragrances to find your perfect blend. Whether you prefer the invigorating scent of citrus, the calming aroma of lavender, or the comforting fragrance of vanilla, there's a natural ingredient out there for everyone. Embrace the power of nature and transform your home into a fragrant sanctuary. Now let's get our hands dirty, not really, and create our own DIY air freshener. This is a fun and easy project that not only saves you money but also ensures that your home smells fresh and natural without any harsh chemicals. This simple recipe uses just a few ingredients and takes only minutes to prepare. It's perfect for those who love a quick and effective solution to keep their living spaces smelling delightful. You will need a small saucepan, a spray bottle, water, and your choice of natural ingredients like sliced lemons, lavender sprigs, or rosemary sprigs. These ingredients not only smell great but also have natural antibacterial properties. Here are the instructions. First, simmer and infuse. This step is crucial as it helps to release the essential oils and fragrances from the natural ingredients into the water. Fill the saucepan with water and add your chosen ingredients. Make sure the water covers the ingredients completely to ensure even infusion. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, allowing the fragrance to infuse the water. This process usually takes about 20-30 minutes. Next, cool and strain. Once the desired fragrance intensity is achieved, remove the saucepan from heat and let it cool completely. Cooling is important as it helps to lock in the fragrance. Strain the mixture into your spray bottle, discarding the solids. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to ensure no small particles get into your spray bottle. Finally, spritz and enjoy. Your DIY air freshener is ready to use. This homemade solution is perfect for freshening up any room in your house. Simply spritz it into the air whenever you need a burst of natural fragrance. It's great for living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and even your car. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use to ensure the ingredients are evenly distributed. This helps to maintain the potency of the fragrance. You can store your DIY air freshener in the refrigerator for up to a week to maintain its freshness. This not only keeps it cool, but also helps to preserve the natural ingredients. Enjoy the fresh, natural scent of your homemade air freshener and take pride in knowing you created something wonderful for your home. Happy crafting! Why go through the effort of making your own air freshener when store-bought options are readily available? It's a question many people ask. The answer is simple. DIY offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond just a fresh scent. It's a healthier choice. By using natural ingredients, you eliminate exposure to potentially harmful chemicals found in commercial air fresheners. Many store-bought air fresheners contain synthetic fragrances and chemicals that can trigger allergies or respiratory issues. It's cost-effective. Creating your own air freshener is incredibly budget-friendly, often using ingredients you already have at home. Think about it. Simple items like baking soda, essential oils, and citrus peels can be transformed into effective air fresheners without breaking the bank. You're the master perfumer in customizable fragrance. Experiment with different ingredient combinations to create a scent that perfectly matches your preference. Whether you love the calming aroma of lavender or the invigorating scent of citrus, the choice is yours. It's environmentally friendly. DIY air fresheners reduce waste from packaging and minimize the release of harmful chemicals into the environment. Commercial air fresheners often come in plastic containers that contribute to landfill waste. By making your own, you can reuse containers and reduce your carbon footprint. Making the switch to DIY air fresheners is a small change that can have a significant positive impact on your health, your wallet, and the planet. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of your living environment and make more sustainable choices. Ready to ditch the synthetic scents and embrace the power of natural fragrance? It's time to unleash your inner DIY enthusiast and create a healthier, more inviting atmosphere in your home. Gather your favorite ingredients, follow our simple recipe, and experience the joy of crafting your own signature scent. Trust me, once you go the DIY route, you'll never look back. So, what are you waiting for? Let's freshen up those living spaces naturally. Creating your own DIY air freshener is a rewarding experience, and what's better than keeping all that freshness to yourself? Share the love. Spread the word about the benefits of natural air fresheners with friends, family, and neighbors. Gift them a bottle of your own custom-made blend, and let them experience the difference firsthand. Let's create a ripple effect of natural fragrance and inspire others to make healthier choices for themselves and the environment. Together, we can create a world where fresh air is truly fresh.